Oh no, I just heard Mummy.
I just heard something. Leo, I just heard something.
I just saw her.
Oh no. Angel, it's Mummy.
What are you lot doing?
Quick, get her with the 3am slam.
Little monkey.
I've got the torch that we used to get Jordan from Toys and Me. I'm gonna wake Angel and Leo up. Come on, let's make some slam. But we can't wake Mummy up. Angel, wake up.
What time is it, Daddy?
We're gonna make some slam. Leo, come on. Come on, Leo. Angel, be quiet. Don't wake Mummy up. Come on. She's asleep, look. Come on, quick. She's asleep, look. Come on,
Get up, Daddy.
Come on, we're making slam. Leo, you take the torch. Come on. Angel, I'm gonna take her outside in the garden to make midnight slam. Come. Leo, Angel, I've got you both a ball. There's your ball, Angel.
I need a spoon.
I'll get you a spoon. Come on, shh.
I'm just
Leo.
gonna lay down.
There's your ball, Leo. Angel, come on. Angel, come on, we're making midnight slam. Don't wake Mummy up.
What time is it?
It's about midnight. Come on, Leo.
I just looked at my clock, it's 3 AM.
Come on, Leo. What time is it?
3 AM.
3am, come on, Leo. Quick.
First we need glue.
Angel, are you tired?
Here is glue.
You so tired?
Yes.
Shh, don't wake Mummy up. Don't wake Mummy up, quick.
I'm trying.
Quick.
Now, squeeze.
That's it, Angel.
That's one. And it is another one. And it is
Do you want some glue, Leo? It's there. It's there, Leo. Angel, are you going to put some colour in?
First you need to.
Have you put the full bottle in?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Bye.
That's enough, Leo.
To put the phone in.
That's enough.
And then just put the phone in now. Okay. Oh.
Angel,
turn the light back
I'm just
on.
shining the torch in the garden.
Turn
Just
the
making sure there's no cats. I'll shine it back on you. Okay. Mix, guys.
No, second thing is it. Okay.
What do you need, Angel? Are you so sleepy?
Oh, this and this.
You're so sleepy.
Yeah. Be quiet, guys. Quiet, guys. Now I'm putting the glitter in.
Leo's got your spoon in.
Ah!
Angel, that's super glitter slime. Do you want some activator?
There's some blue paint over there. Shall everyone get it? Because I won't like to be blue. I've got the blue paint, Daddy.
Come on then. Come on, Angel, come back over if you found the blue paint. That's enough, Leo.
I've got the blue paint. Oh no, it's empty, I think. No, it isn't. Blue paint. Blue darling paint. I'm gonna call this slam darling.
Darling slam.
I think I'm gonna name it Bluish.
That's really cool slam, Angel.
Look at my slam. Soon shall we go and check on Mummy?
Mummy, I think... No, we can't wake Mummy up because she's asleep. She'll be really angry. Angel, do you want your activator? Do you want the activator?
Look at mine.
It's there.
In a minute.
Whoa, Leo, that's blue glitter slam.
I put glue on. What's on the news in that? Oh, glitter, guys. How much glitter is this?
Guys, it's so dark outside, guys. So dark outside.
I'm putting lots of glitter in mine.
You want lots of glitter? Right, ready for activator, guys?
Can I put some in?
That's it there, just a little bit.
That's enough.
Yeah. Right, mix, guys. Mix, the midnight slime.
Can I do it with my hands? Not just yet for me. I need some airway, guys. Oh, look at man.
Leo, it's a bit late to do that. Mummy will know that we've been making slime. That's it, Angel, it's perfect, look. It's perfect sticky slime. Angel, I think I heard Mummy. Let me shine the torch. Let me shine the torch on the house. Wait a minute. Did you hear her? Where is she?
It might be her phone.
Is she in the bed? Where is she? I think I heard. Oh, who's down there?
No one.
Who's down there?
I'll go check.
Go check, Angel. Nobody, quicker, let's make super fluffy slime.
Ta-da! Super fluffy slime activator! Can you see my moon?
Oh, sorry. Go on, Leo, mix that super fluffy slime. Oh, that's real stretchy, Angel, well done.
Daddy, that's how I made mine.
Super sticky.
Yeah. Yeah. Sticky. What's down there?
Where are you going, Angel? You're sleepwalking. Come back, Angel. Don't go too far away, it's really scary.
The telly's on upstairs. I can hear it.
You can hear the telly upstairs.
Yeah.
Come back and make the slime quick before Mummy comes then.
I think mine's already done.
Let's have a look. Got some more Airwick?
Yeah. Daddy, look, my slime. Daddy's my slime already done. Did you just hear that?
What was it?
I heard a bang.
No, it wasn't a bang.
No.
Don't know what it is. Shine the torch. Quick, finish this slime, guys, before anybody comes.
No, I heard a bang up there.
Go on, Leo.
I think she might have woke up.
Oh, Mummy.
Yeah.
Oh no, don't say that. Don't say Mummy's awake.
Okay, right. I'm gonna mix with my hands now. Yeah, that feels sticky.
That's it, Leo, pull it out.
Like this.
Yeah. Make it into a big ball, that's it.
Come here, Fly. Come here.
Angel, that's super stretchy slime.
Daddy, look at mine. Yes. I'm impressed with mine the most. Excuse me. Why did that? It's mud. I think it is actually.
Keep mixing, Leo.
I think it actually is 3 AM because I did not see that bottle move. I think it might be 3 AM because I did not see that bottle move. And I was looking that way.
Really?
And it was up.
What did what?
And there's no window or anything.
Let me see your slime, Angel.
Daddy. Why is my slime this colour? It's supposed to be pink. I put pink in it. Why is my slime this colour? Somebody might have turned it this colour.
Angel, we should get some. We should get some.
I'm scared. Okay. Daddy, look at my slime. I think it might be changing colour. Daddy, look at my slime. It's red.
Wow.
It looks like blood. Yuck.
Angel, what's happened?
I don't
Leo,
know.
look at Angel's slime.
It turned red. Ah! Because it was the noise come from the side of the... Oh no, more red. Yuck. That's
It's turned into blood slime, Angel.
Yuck.
Angel, it's turned into blood slime. 3 AM.
Oh no, it's turned more red. Yuck.
Angel, what's happening? Why is it going that colour? Is it because it's 3 AM?
I don't actually know.
Leo, Angel's slime was that colour,
I looked
and
on
now
my clock.
it's gone that colour.
I looked on my clock and it was actually 3 AM.
Is it 3 AM?
Let me just look on my magic timer. Why is my timer
Let me look at the time on my.
Oh no, my timer's gone.
Look at
my
the time.
timer-
I'll have a look at the time on my iPhone. 1 minute.
No, my
It's
timer.
3 AM. It is 3 AM, Angel.
No, who took my watch?
Oh no, Leo, look at Angel's slime.
Oh no, it said red.
I haven't seen Angel's watch.
Oh no, it's turned. Angel, it's
I
really.
need more activator.
Angel didn't have a watch.
Oh no, I just heard Mummy.
I just heard something. Leo just heard something.
I just
What is
saw
it?
her.
Oh no. Angel, it's mummy.
What are you lot doing?
Quick, get her with the 3 AM slime.
Little monkeys,
Oh.
get back to bed. Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is, Daddy?
Morning time.
It's not morning time. Leah, what time is it?
Morning cat.
Oh,
You little monkeys.
we're all in trouble, Angel.
You, Daddy, are
The
in
slime,
trouble.
mummy, the slime turned red at 3 AM. She made blue slime and it turned red.
That's because the moon is out, the sky is black and it's bedtime.
Look, there's the moon over there, guys. Angel, that moon made the slime turn red.
No, it didn't. It's right over there.
Yeah, but it's 3 AM. Things happen at 3 AM.
3
3 AM.
3
Angel, things happen at 3 AM. Look at your slime. It changed colour at 3 AM.
Bye guys, do me a slime at 3